Now, these two parents sitting here, they are discussing on how they're going to use their legal aid to sue. Now, the two sons are saying no. Now, who becomes selfish in the equation? They want to sue because they felt that what was done was wrong, or are they suing for the ego? Because now, if Tibos is saying that he is not interested in suing, and then Kwaito is not interested in suing, why are we having this family meeting where the two parents are sitting down and saying that they must sue, and then Mantuli ibe are hena nakale ke patela legal aid bianong I've got access to the lawyers, so we can go ahead and sue, and that did not sit well with Kwaito. Now Kwaito walks in, ask what the parents were talking about, and then they told him, okay, na ne re bolela taba ya gore re nyaka sua company ele for almost le ishwakwa. And then Kwaito was like, but remember, Clinton ushwile, and then Braboiki liena, it looks like liena ushwile. Bianong ha re ba sua, rena re buile ko hae really sharp. Even though we're bruised and hurt and whatever, but at this point in time we are fine and we are alive. Bianong ha re sua company, re sua for eng, because company ele yona yoruza batho babili. So what are we suing for exactly? Because their lives are gone. Now nobody could answer that, and then Mema Puta says, you know what? I can tell from the look of your face gore wena ngwana wa papa hao ngwana wa ntate Maputla ka nnete, because you are very weak. Ai. You are weak, very very weak. Ngwana tatawe. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skeem Saam. Ndimadekwana, sanbanan, abshen, molweni, minjani, yipukile hingongwina. So namutla ka nongokwa hina wa Skeem Saam hikumaro skurishla stemsekangi kahle in Kwaito's home. Remember, there's this guy that is staying there. Barkis Busiso. Busiso at some point taba itrile number itrile ya hore motona utswa ko tronkong. So Bianung, it's making everybody in the house uncomfortable. Now that everyone is uncomfortable, there was a meeting where I think he must move, and then no, he can't move because Kwaito says, Marab, this person is a jailbird. How do we know we're safe? And then Kihemantul Arno, he can stay here as long as he wants, but then we need to find out what happened, right? So as he was walking in, then he walked in on them talking, right? And then he says, okay, if ever, and then batho ba didimala. Hora hore topic again, namos. Like so you might as well just tell me what is it that I've done, or what is it that you're discussing, so that I can also be on the loop. Or if there is any problem, I can just move out. Mantuli he wachikena and then she says that no, actually this is your home. You can stay here for as long as you want to stay. Anyanya ukwaito ndurinda mubona joro kwaito onengisea. What do you mean for as long as you want? Because now we know we don't want him. Usbusiso is in a situation where upila ngokusaba yonke into, because now he has to plan for the next 5 days, because anything can happen to him now, or any information can come up. So he's always planning and wanting to move. Talk about living your life on the edge. Anywho, masogana a mabedi magaribe a bona a ba boditse gore they have to go and see the therapist, and it looks like it's working. As they went to Kwaito and Elizabeth went to have their dinner, their lunch, and then banta snepe sa bona, and then Elizabeth was asking, did you go and see the therapist? Kwaito says, I did, and I think I'm glad I did, because now I feel much better. And then he said, what would make me even better, is when you show me the Sona paper as a photo. When she released that, and then Kat Wama Caterpillar was standing there and was like, how? You guys are not telling me that you're going to be parents. And then they said, you know what? We don't want this information to be scattering around. We would prefer if you don't tell anyone. On the other hand, later it's like something is not going right with him. Gadi cases are high, and it looks like he's in deep trouble. Then try to speak to his father, but it looks like the solution is not really coming out. On the other hand, again, Tibos is having nightmares while he's sleeping, and the ex-wife to be, I don't know if she's still gonna be an ex, says he must go and consult, and then he says yes, he was gonna go tomorrow, he has a booking for tomorrow. The other side of things, where there's a wedding, linyalo, mahadi, lobola, we find that Pretty Sakamela's wedding is going perfectly well and Lehasa is happy. However, Pretty Sakamela's job is not really going perfectly well because she is caught up in a lot of things. Please remember to subscribe.